Hello. Let's do a deep dive on James Campion, aka Campervans. So, 5-year track record on eToro, 5-year return 625%. Featured in Bloomberg. Copy long term, yes. Copy minimum trades, 500. But that can be done with 200 now. As in, he can be copied with 200. He's got the lowest minimum trade. It's like 0.83 or 0.93 or something. He's reworked his portfolio recently, which is good. He's a private, I thought it said bank baker then. Campervans is a private baker delivering to local campsites at festivals. Private banker managing the wealth of 2 of the top 10 Forbes Rich list, which is nothing to sniff at. Very good. Oh, he spelled among there wrong. There's no U. Among other high profile balanced investor in equities and ETFs. Okay, let's get on the social. So pin post 13 days ago. So 7, so 1, 2, 3, 9. Cool. On top of it for the social. At least in regards to the post, I did leave him a message like 1 or 2 days ago in anticipation for potentially copying him. I haven't received a reply yet. So let's go to the most recent post that he did that's not pinned. Let's see how the replies are going. 6 days ago. Okay, so he must just be having like a little break at the moment, I guess. Cool, 10 out of 10 for social. Statistics. So 19% for this year, which is very nice. 144 for 2020, which is also very nice. 74 for 2019, minus 27 for 2018, along with a lot of other people who also had similar things. 2017 is 62, 2016 is 16, and started at 2015 was 6. So yeah, as it says, 625% return in 5 years. And he's up there with the Bloombergs. He's up there with the wealth hedge fund managers, private bakers with those campsites and things. Fantastic. Love the smell of fresh bread. 2,000 copiers. 2,000. Oh yeah, because he's only recently sort of put himself forward as like a popular investor. I was going to say I would have been really surprised, and I totally forgot that he's like been hiding in the woodworks, baking those breads in the walls. Minus 15% drawdown. Okay, so stats we've already done. Portfolio quantity. Wait a minute, yeah, we didn't calculate the stats, did we? It's the last 6 months. So 19, and then, bear with me 1 second, guys. 6. So, I would give an 8 based on that. It's got like 5 years, 6 years experience, and all the other stuff. Proof is in the pudding. I mean, it's between an 8 and a 9 anyway. Let's just push it to a 9. Portfolio quantity. How many assets do you have, Mr. James? 51. Lovely jubbly. Risk management. What's your biggest asset allocation? 5. It goes on multiples of 3, so 9. Good. Drawdown. Interesting. Minus 15. Okay. Multiples of 5. That would be a 8. Affordability. He can be copied now because of the rework you did with $200, which is great for newbies. 10 out of 10. Synchronization. So how many trades has it closed in the last 3 months? 162, so he gets a 10 out of 10 for this bit. So now we have to go to highest value divided by invested, because he's reworked recently like Rock as well. So this is the prime opportunity for both campervans and Rock to have a deep dive. Divided by 1, so 0, yeah, so 10. One of the better deep dive stat-wise. Fantastic. Can't really fault it. I can't really say to improve anything. Everything's above an 8. Lovely. Have a quick look at the chart. See how it's doing in total for what we can see on the screen. And then also just this year, like what we did with Rock. QQQ, that was it. So SPY, and then QQQ. Yeah. Okay, so for the whole year, massively outperformed it. Both of them, both NASDAQ and S&P 500. Massive. Fantastic. Right, let's go to just this year. Just because. And still outperforming it. Hugely. Cool. I'm sold. Alright, let's have a look at campervan stats once more. So 10 for social. Keeping it real with the peeps, with the people at the campsites. Giving them those breads. Stats, 9. Portfolio quantity, 10. 9, 8, 10, 10. Fantastic, James. You live up to your name of being the best baker in the world. Cool. Both Rock and campervans have done very well. I'm liking both of what they got to show me. And I think I'll be adding 250 on both of them. Join me in the next video for a very quick I'm adding 2 people video. Yeah, that does it. Take care everyone, and I'll see you very shortly in the next video.